Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'll be doing a live trading video with you. I've realized that most of you guys find it difficult to gain raw live experience because you have been learning the technicals here. When you're trading live, you find it very difficult to get the experience. Because of that, I've decided to start a new trading series called Learn to Scalp 1 Minute Time Frame. Learn to Scalp 1 Minute Time Frame. This is a new series I'm going to start here on YouTube, which means aside finding Forex setups episode where I'm going to trade only on H1 and M15. You see, it's very difficult to record trades on H1 and M15, right? Because for one candle to form on H1 or on M15, it takes a longer time, which means I cannot record the live trades on H1 and on M15. Because of this reason, that's why I decided to start this new scalping series where I'm going to trade my strategies on a M1 time frame, 1 minute time frame, such that all my strategies will be traded on M1 time frame, so that I'll be able to do the live recording, the live scalping recording, or the live trading for you guys to see, so that you see raw live experience, okay, how we trade live as traders. So it's going to be a series that I'm going to add to the Finding Forex Setup episodes, which I'm going to reserve only for scalping, okay? The Finding Forex Setup episode is still going to be there for those who want to trade M15 and H1, okay? But M1, 1 minute time frame is very quick and very fast to trade, which means I don't advise anybody to trade, but I'm just showing you how you're going to do it, how you're going to trade the same strategies on M15 or on H1, same strategies on M1, which is 1 minute time frame. The important thing is to learn to become a trader. After you become a trader, you can trade on M5, you can trade on M15, you can trade on H1, you can trade on M1. It doesn't matter. You have to learn to become a trader first. So this series is going to help you to learn raw live experience. So without wasting my time, let's go to the charts and let's get trading.
So on the currency meter today, as you can see this morning, we have NZD to be strong and CAD to be weak. Have you seen? NZD to be strong, CAD to be weak. So we can now match if you want to trade anything. Either you are scalping or you are trading on H1 and M15. Your parent time frame is always going to be on H4. We are looking for the H4 to see which currency pair is stronger on H4 and which currency pair is weak on H4. The purpose of doing this is to find a perfect mode market. You want to find, if the market is trending, you want to find a perfectly trading market. If the market is ranging, you want to find a perfectly ranging market. We don't want a market that will be ranging at the same time trending. If you have that, you're going to have a lot of losing trade. The market is not trending, neither is it ranging, which is not a good thing that we want. We don't want that. We want a market which is either trending beautifully or ranging beautifully. That's all what we want. That's why we use the currency meter to determine this. So now that we know that the NZD is strong and the CAD is weak, we can merge the NZD with the CAD. So we can say NZD CAD. And as you can see, though I'm trading the M1 time frame, but you can see because the H4 is weak, the H1, the M15, the M30, they are all strong. Have you seen? Because the H4 is strong, all of them are strong, and these guys are all weak. Because of that, I prefer to trade the NZD with the CAD. Okay, somebody can also decide to combine the AUD with the CAD because AUD is stronger on the H4, but it's not that strong on the lower time frames. But because the H4 is stronger, you can still combine them, okay? But I prefer the ones which are green. So I prefer the NZD with the CAD, okay? I prefer the NZD with the CAD. So somebody can also decide to choose USD with the NZD. USD with the NZD. But as you can see, it's not all red. So I don't really prefer it, okay? You can still trade it because the H4 is what matters. So far the H4 is green, one is red. You're definitely going to find a perfectly trending market or perfectly ranging market. If you want to find a ranging market, then you merge the two top ones or the bottom down ones. If you want to find a trending market, you made the strong with the weak, okay? You made the strong with the weak and you find a perfectly trending market. But today, because I'm scalping, I just want to trade the NZD CAD. That's all, only one currency pair for scalping. I have to focus and I have to be distracted. So I'm going to trade only the NZD and the CAD. So let's go to the chart. Let me open NZD CAD. So as you can see, this is the NZD CAD chart. And you can see the market is trending beautifully. But you can see support areas, right? You can see support areas. So there are support lines. You can see other support areas down here. So there are other support lines down there. These are your structure levels. So you must always have the idea of how to draw your structure levels. So as you can see, the market can just come back here and reverse back
to the original direction, or the market can come back a little, hit the structure level, the down one, and hit up, head up, or the market can break the structure level, retrace back a little, and head down. These are all the options the market can take. So the market has 3 options now: either to come back, hit and go, or come back down, hit the second structure level, and move upwards to the original direction, or the market can break the structure and then reverse down. These are all the options the market can take. Okay, so you must know what you're doing as a trader. After you know this, what you have to do, you have to wait for the market to come back to any of the structures. When your criteria are met, that's when you only take the trade. If your criteria are not met, you don't take any trade. But for now, I'm going to put my buy limit order here for the market to trigger me in. I'll just wait for the market to trigger me in. Gets me in, then I set my stop loss and I set my take profit target. So I'm waiting for the market to execute my order. Okay guys, as you can see, I've seen a morning star pattern. This is one of my favorite patterns that I trade every day. Because of that, I'm going to quickly enter the trade. Okay, I'm going to click market or execution order. Okay, I'm going to order immediately so that the market will just take me in, because I like this particular pattern and it has high probability that it's going to go in the other direction. Now it's time to set my stop loss and my take profit target. This is a very small account, so I'm setting stop loss of $200. When I lose $200. When I win $400. That's risk order of 1 to 2. Okay, so I'm setting my stop loss here, and my take profit is going to be set there. Guys, as you can see, immediately I enter to see how the market is moving faster. This pattern is actually one of the high probability patterns I've been trading so far. So anytime I see this pattern, no matter where it appears, so far as it's in the direction of the original direction I want to go, I always enter immediately. So you see, it's going faster. So that's my profit target. My take profit target $400, $403. Yeah, so just average it out. So my take profit target $400 and my stop loss $200. Okay, always risk order of 1 to 2. Never take less. Okay, always risk order of 1 to 2. So now that after I've said this, it's my job to now leave the market to do its job. Okay, I have to leave the market to do its job now, because I've done my job. That is my job. I have to now leave the market to also play its job. So the market will play in the direction or against my direction. I don't care. If the market come back to hit my stop loss out or take my profit, and then I'll just take my profit and leave the market. Okay, it's the job of the market to do that. I'm done with my job. It's my job to leave the market. It's the market's job to play. Okay, so I'm waiting. Whatever happens, I'm going to wait. And because it's going to be far, I just want to speed up the process. Okay, I'll speed up the process a little to see what's going to happen. So let me leave and come back. So guys, as you can see, the market is almost at my take profit target. The market is in my favor. It's almost at my take profit target. It's not up to $400 yet, which means I can't take my profit. Okay, I must always wait for my target to be hit. It's almost up to $400, but I can't take my profit. I have to still wait for my profit target to be hit. So that's what you must also learn from this video. Okay, always wait for your profit target to be hit. So let's keep waiting. So as you can see, it's almost at my take profit target. Most of you guys, when you get to this level, you'll be rushing. You don't have the patience to wait, and you close your profit. Which means instead of getting 1 to 2, you get 1 to maybe 1.7, because instead of maybe making $400, you decide to make maybe after it hit 370, you decide to close your trade. Meanwhile, that's not how your system is supposed to work. Okay, your system is supposed to be working exactly at 1 to 2, which means when you're losing, you lose half, and you gain full one. Okay, don't just be taking your profit. Don't be shaking at this moment. As you can see, the market want to come down, so you guys be shaking. You don't have to be shaking. You have to wait. Keep waiting until your take profit target is hit. Okay, keep waiting. This one, I can even watch for the market to even come and take me out. I don't care. All what I want is the market to take me out, my take profit target, or my stop loss should be hit. That's all. So no matter what the market is going to behave, I'm still going to wait. Okay, guys, so at long last, as you can see, take profit target hit. Take profit target of what? $400, $403. Okay, it just hit. So you have to always be patient. Okay, always be patient for your take profit target to be hit. So take profit target hit, and my trading is over.
So guys, as you can see, you have to be very patient when you're trading. Okay, you don't have to be rushing, you don't have to be fearful. Know what you want. You are taking risk reward of 1:2. That's all. That's all. So it's very simple. You are taking risk reward of 1:2. Either it hits your stop loss or it hits your profit target. Don't mess things up. Don't be shaking. Okay, don't be shaking and don't mess things up. So that's all for this video. I'm going to be posting such live trading videos frequently, okay? So you guys will get more live experience how we trade live as professional traders. So keep the setups in your mind. Always come here. So every Wednesday or maybe every Thursday, you come here, okay? Come and watch my live trading videos so that you get the setups in your mind and know how we trade as professionals. We don't shake, we don't gamble the market. We have a system we follow. When you see this, we trade. When you don't see anything, we don't trade. So that'll be all for this video. If you've not liked the video, please like the video, okay? Like the video and subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed to my channel, and help me grow my channel, okay? That'll be all for this video. See you next time.